This is Surya Instruments Data Acquisition System installation procedure. Click on download to download the drivers and the required software. Download the RAR file. Once the download is complete, unzip the file and open the folder. First two are the softwares, second two are the required drivers. First install RS-485 converter USB driver. For 64-bit systems, use x64. For 32-bit, use x86. Click on finish once it is complete. Now install Visa 511 runtime W7. We need to install only serial drivers. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installation is complete, click on finish. Restart later. There are two softwares. One is the data acquisition software, another one is report generation software. First install acquisition software. Click on finish to complete. Now install report generation software. Installation is complete. This completes the entire procedure for installation. Thank you.